Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add non-Steam games over to your Steam library on your Steam Deck. And this is easy. So in this video, I'm going to use the Heroic Game Launcher right here. And I got Epic Games Launcher on here, so I get games like Fall Guys, Rocket League. What you want to do is go to the game, go to the three little dots right here. And there should be an option to add to Steam. So it says remove from Steam right here, and that's all you have to do. So let's go to this game. I don't think it's ready yet. No, so you do have to download it first. I believe this one is installing down here, so I'll have to wait for that. But you just go to the three little dots in this, and then you can add it, and then you can switch back over. So I just added Fall Guys, so we can go back here. Let's close this, move this, return to game mode. And then once we're in here, we have to scroll all the way to the right, and then there should be an option to go to non-Steam games. So just wait for it to boot back into the game mode. And we're still waiting. And so let's go all the way to the right once we can see all the games on the top here. And then we can add it. So it takes a little bit of time just to boot into the game mode. So once we're here, scroll all the way to the right. Go to view more in your library. Go to the top, go to non-Steam game, and here's Fall Guys, here's Rocket League, here's Chrome. So if you downloaded Chrome too, you can use that there. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.